Hi, David here from londonsafes.co.uk. Just a quick video. We're going to have a look at the difference between the KeySecure Victor Grade 1 Size 1 and the KeySecure Victor Grade 1 Size 2, so the next size up. And if you think you might enjoy seeing more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. The reason I'm doing this is it comes up quite often. People need a Euro Grade 1 safe, they want a digital one and they want the smallest one, but then they get this one and they find it's a bit too small. So let's just have a look. Maybe it's okay for you, maybe you need the size 2. This is the size 1 and I'll pop the dimensions of this height, width and depth, etc. on the screen now while I'm filming this section. And I'll open the safe up and the first thing I can tell you, oh, I've locked it. That's the factory code. You'll change it to your own code. Is you're not going to get documents in here. It's not suitable for A4 documents. I've got a luxury watch box here, which I will drop into the safe now, and it is suitable for those, which tends to be most of the inquiries that we deal with for these watches. So you can see you can get those in there. I'll just open it up now. And in fact, so you will probably want to get 2 like that, but the shelf is removable or repositionable. But I found that to do that, you'd get 4 across there, and you probably get another couple on the top or other stuff that that you might want to put in there. Again, over to the size 2, and the dimensions are on screen now. And don't forget the links to these products if you want one, supplied and fitted in London or the home counties, or even a bit beyond these days for an extra charge. You will find the product links in the video description and also on the QR codes that I have shown on screen. And we'll open the safe. It's already unlocked, and you'll get stacks of these in there, probably 6 across there, a couple in front, maybe 3 in front, so you probably get 9 on the bottom there, 7 to 9, let's say. Haven't got enough to try it, but and a few more on top, and you definitely get documents, A4, even smallish folders. That's an A4 catalogue in there, no problem at all. We supply and fit, as I think I mentioned. We can either bolt them to a brick wall or bolt them to a concrete floor. Most of our competitors will only bolt to a concrete floor, and that's because they use subcontractors. They don't use their own installers, whereas we will pre-assess your installation with some photos or a video, hopefully on WhatsApp, and we can put it probably where you want it and bolt it where you want it, because that's what we do. We are the highest rated safe company on Trustpilot, and that's because we only sell safes. I mean, you'll see other companies that might sell safes, but they sell loads of other things like padlocks and very small items where people go, yeah, it's a great padlock, and they leave a review, and that counts for a safe company. Our reviews are all just from people that we've supplied and installed safes for, and probably only 10% of the people we supply and install safes for are willing to leave a review afterwards for security concerns. So all of our reviews are genuine, 100% genuine. Some of them are astonishing. And I look at them and I think, oh God, that looks fake. But it's not, it's real. You can also look at our Google reviews and see what people have to say about us. We have strived to achieve an enviable reputation in our industry, which we have achieved, and we're very, very proud of that, and we'd be happy to help you with your safe. And my WhatsApp number's been on screen. You can WhatsApp me directly and have a chat about safes. Fantastic. Thank you very much for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.